Hello, today we will learn how to use class in C++ language. It is very easy to use class in C++ language. Now we will concentrate on our course. Include this stdc++.h and using instance std. Then I will make a class and I will give the name of the class is toy. Then in public we will make a function here. Today we will discuss only how to use function in class, and I will give the name of the class is fun, and then I will write a line here. Okay, I will give a input. I will declare a string here and I will take this string as input. String u. I will declare a string and the string will be the string is u. So let's okay, I will give the name of the string is y. Okay, you can give the name of the string u, but it is not problem. You will give any name of your string. Then I will take this string and I will, if I want to input a line in C++ code as a string, we had better use getLine function. Then I will C in and y, and I will show this line as output. Okay, and then the class is finished in main. And now I will write the name of the class and I will give another name of this class, and I will give another name of the class is frog. 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 You can give any name like G, Ace, GG, HG, etc. And it will not create effect on your coding. Then frog and dot. This dot will be connected to your fun function. Just and dot here. You will just click enter and semicolon and run it. Okay, at first we have to select a folder. I will my def C++ and give a name here A. You can give any name. Okay, you have to wait for few minutes. Okay, I love to make fun with my friends. I have write a string as input, and the second line show me the result as output. By this way we can use class in C++ language. I will create more videos on class in C++ language, and you can subscribe and like my video. If this video you can. Okay, no more today. I will come from another. I will come from another. I will come with another video last another time.